Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy with sugar. First, gather your ingredients and equipment, ensuring your cotton candy machine is clean and ready for use. You'll need granulated sugar, and optionally, food coloring or flavorings to customize your treat. Prepare your workspace by laying down parchment paper for easy cleanup. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable cotton candy making experience right from the start. For perfect cotton candy, fine granulated sugar is key. Avoid coarse sugars, as they may not spin correctly in your machine. If you want to add color or flavor, mix a few drops of liquid food coloring or a small amount of flavoring oil directly into your sugar before adding it to the machine. Remember, a little goes a long way to achieve vibrant colors and delicious tastes. Once your machine is preheated, carefully add 1 or 2 tablespoons of your prepared sugar into the center spinning head. The sugar will melt and then be forced through tiny holes, creating those delicate, sugary strands. As the cotton candy begins to form, use a paper cone or stick to gently collect the strands, rotating it to build up your fluffy treat. Be patient and let the machine do its work. For the best results, always keep your cotton candy machine clean, especially the spinning head, to prevent sugar buildup. This ensures consistent performance and delicious treats every time. Don't be afraid to experiment with various sugar colors and flavorings to create a wide array of unique cotton candy experiences. For more great tips and product recommendations, including that fantastic sock deal, check out the links in the description below. We love hearing your cotton candy creations, so share your experiences in the comments section. Enjoy your delicious, homemade cotton candy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.